So longest common subsequence problem is the problem in which we are given two sequences of characters, okay, in which we need to find out the common subsequences, okay, and these common sequences are not necessarily continuous, okay, they are just common subsequences in a order but not necessarily continuous. For example, if we are given x is equal to a b c b and y is equal to b d c a b, okay, so what is the maximum common subsequence? You can easily find out that it is bcb. bcb in string x or sequence x, it is from index 1 to index 3, and in a sequence y it is indices 0, uh, 2 and 4. So this is bcb. So you can find out lcs xy is equal to bcb, and the position in x and position in y uh, is written in bold. Are you getting my point? So this is longest common subsequence problem. Okay. So again, we will try to do it by using tabular method. Okay. And how it is solved, I will show you from this example. Okay. So first, we will define a cost matrix for the LCS, in which each cell of the matrix will give you the uh, current maximum cost of LCS. And what is cost of LCS means? The longest uh, common subsequence length. Okay, so each cell will give you the length of LCS uh, according to the current situations or consideration for the uh, sequence X and sequence Y. And you know, in dynamic programming, we always do it by using bottom up manner, and pre-computed values are used to find out the new values of each cell of the matrix. And initially, similarly, like 01 knapsack, we will put we will take rows uh, as the size of uh, x plus 1, size of sequence x plus 1, and we will take columns as the size of sequence y plus 1, and why we will take size plus 1 rows and columns, because they are we consider the problem when the sequence x is available and y has no character in its sequence. And there is another situation in which sequence y is available but x does not have any value in the sequences. In those cases, row 1 and column 0 and row 0 will be put cost 0, or you can say total length of common subsequence will be 0 when there is no value either in sequence x or either in sequence y. Okay, so for this example we will put the values for 0th row and 0th column. We will put values 0. Okay, cost length of LCS 0. Now we will compute the cost matrix Cij value C11. Okay, so now every time if there is a sequence that the first character in the sequence X is A and the first character in the sequence uh, B sequence y is b. Okay, so a is not equal to b. Okay, a is not similar to b. So whenever a is not similar to b, we will, I am telling you the trick, that we will give the length of that consideration is that there is we by observation we see that there is no common value. A and b are not common characters or similar characters, so we will put the pre-computed value. So we can take maximum value from the left value and the above value. So the you can see easily that the left value is 0 and the above value is 0. So from both sides you can take the value, but generally consider the value from the left side. Okay, so whenever there is no matching, then you can see here that both the arrows are given. So when there are values which are not common, then we have taken the value maximum. We want to take maximum value, but both values are similar, so we will consider it from the above value 0. Okay, so we will take it 0. So you can find out that we are just finding out that whenever xi is equal to yj condition is false, we will go into the else part and we will find out cij is equal to max value of ci minus 1 comma j comma ci comma j minus 1. So ci minus 1 comma j is the left value and immediate left value, and cij minus 1 is the immediate above value. And we will compare both the values and we will take if the maximum value between the both, and if both the values are same, we will take it from either side. Okay, so from any side we can take it. Okay, so like this, the first uh, 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 the row with the index I is equal to 1. Okay, that means row index 1 will have first four values as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, in which three values are being filled in this pass. Now we will get a value in the row and column similar, that the value of x is a and value of y is also a in column index 4. Okay, that is at j is equal to 4. Okay, at that time we will take the value which is uh, taken from the immediately diagonal value. Okay, which is ci minus 1 comma j minus 1 value plus 1, because we found that the character in x and character in y is similar, so the previous computed lcs value without those character is taken into the computation of lcs of this value, and we will just add 1 because there is one more occurrence where similarity is encountered. Okay, so here we will put 1 from the diagonal value. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now again the next value is not similar in this row. A and B are not similar. So we will take it from the maximum values from the immediate left or immediate above. And the immediate left value is maximum, that is 1. So we will put C1 5 as 1 also. So we will take it from left. You can see from this slide number 16. Okay, so now using this formula, Vinita, can you fill all the values of the matrix? Can you fill all the values of the matrix? Vinita, unmute your mic. Okay. Okay. So I just want from your side that you must fill other values also uh, continuously with my explanation. Okay. So again, we fill the value C 2 comma 1. Okay. So here at C 2 comma 1, the character in X is B and character in Y is also B. So similarity is occurred. So we will take the immediate diagonal value plus 1 in this cell. So immediate diagonal above diagonal value is 0 plus 1, which is C I minus 1 comma J minus 1 plus 1. So C2 1 will have the value 1. Similarly, we will fill complete row, and other characters are not similar as the character B. So we will take the maximum value from immediate left or above. So always here we find immediate left value as 1 and above value is 0. Okay, in column 2 and column 3 in the row 2. Okay, so we take 1 1 from the left side, and in B2 4 values, immediate above and immediate left value both are 1. Okay, so we can take any value from there, but we should uh, keep one value, or we should keep one strategy for every time. So we will take it from the left side. Okay, so now B24, no, sorry, B25. Now at B25, character B is similar to character B. Now we will take the value from the immediate above diagonal, which is 1, and add 1 in that value. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 in B25. So B25 will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this is how we fill the LCS matrix. Okay, so you can see here that whenever there is similar value, we will take the pre-computed value from immediate diagonal plus 1. Otherwise, we will take the maximum value from immediate left cell or immediate above cell, uh, and put it in the concerned cell. So you can find out the last cell of the LCS will give you the length of complete LCS. You can find out in this example. So here in the cost matrix, you will find out the total length of the LCS. Okay, longest common subsequence. Now, how to find out the longest common subsequence? We have that the length of longest common subsequence is 3. That means 3 characters are there which are similar in a sequence. Okay, so now again we will do it similar like 01 knapsack, that we will backtrack the diagonal values, and we will consider the pointed out diagonals for taking the common values. Okay, so here you can see, here you can see that uh, 3 is computed from the diagonal value. Okay, now so B and B will be the last character in the LCS. Now 2 is computed from the left side, and again this 2 is computed from the diagonal value. Okay, so we will take this value c. Okay, this value c as the part of LCS. Okay, so we will again encircle this value also. Okay, so we have encircled 3, we have encircled 2, and which is row 3 and column 3. Row 4 and column 5 values are same. Okay, row 3 and column 3 and row 4 and column 5 values are same. Now again, we can find out that this diagonal value 2 came from the value c 2 2, but this value is not obtained by the diagonal. Okay, so we'll backtrack until we get the diagonal. Okay, so we backtrack here and we find again the value 1 in b 2 1, which is obtained by the diagonal. Okay, so this is also similar values bb. Okay, so we encircle it also. Okay, so bcb, we find out here now that bcb is the uh, solution of LCS having the longest common subsequence length is equal to 3. Okay, so are you all understood this point? Now I hope that it would be easy for you to make the program of it. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning, and ask your doubts in the comment box.